Hi, I'm Marialis with WTI and I'm here to tell you about this gorgeous blush. A blush with a good pigment which works for different skin tones, perfect for different seasons and occasions, is all you will find in this blush. I wanted to incorporate blush into my makeup, but I didn't want it to be shimmer or give me any allergic reaction due to my sensitive skin. But I love this one. Although it doesn't have a shimmer finish, but it leaves a nice shine on the skin and works super well and quickly. It also doesn't smell like cosmetic or give off anything like that. It has a soft cake smell. The applicator is absolutely a 10 out of 10. It is soft, practical, I just love it. For my skin tone, it can be difficult to find the perfect shade among the pink ones because they don't usually look very good. But this one is perfect, right in the middle, neither too pink nor red, like a sun kiss. And that's my point of view.